Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Money Guru. Welcome all of you today on 27 July 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock market and what all things you need to consider for the next few trading days. Before going further, let us first discuss about the stocks which I have discussed yesterday, and I have told that these stocks are expected to show positive movement, and similarly can be seen in today's market, whether it is Steel Authority of India, Hindalco, Hindustan Copper, all are up significantly by 4 to 5% in today's market. I hope you enjoyed our analysis. Also, I have mentioned that I am not expecting big and significant profit booking in Nifty for tomorrow, that is for today, and similarly things can be seen in Nifty as of now. Although for today's and for next few trading days, some amount of profit booking can be seen from the current levels. Currently, Nifty is trading at the level of 15,870 and Bank Nifty is trading at around 35,140. I am expecting some profit booking can be seen in Nifty Bank, that is Bank Nifty, and you need to be careful for short-term perspective, that is for 1 or 2 trading days. So you need to be careful in Bank Nifty, as some PSU stocks are expected to show some profit booking, which includes SBI. Although SBI is currently up by around 2%, but I'm expecting some profit booking from the current levels. So you need to be very careful in SBI. And also, if we consider the global cues, the China regulators going after the technology and educational technology companies. Therefore, the Chinese and Hong Kong market are facing some profit booking. Hong Kong fell around 4% yesterday, and effect can be seen across the world in the yesterday's session, although the US markets have been closed in green. But during the first few trading hours, they were also showing some amount of profit booking, although there was not much, but still some profit booking has been seen in US market. But at the closing, they have all been recovered and closed in green. And today also Hong Kong market is showing negative trend, therefore we need to be very careful. And if you look at the local cues, then if we see from last 2 to 2.5 months, FIIs are continuously selling in Indian markets, and despite of which the Indian markets are trading almost at their all-time highs. And also, if we consider some heavyweights of the Nifty, that includes Reliance, HDFC Bank, HDFC, which constitutes around 25% weightage in the Nifty. All these stocks were down by around 5% in last 2 weeks or 2 to 3 weeks, and despite of which the Nifty is managing to at the level of 15,800. Therefore, the long term trend of the Nifty will still be positive, but for the immediate short term, that is for the 2 to 3 trading days, some amount of profit booking can be seen in Bank Nifty especially. So you need to be very careful. And as I have mentioned some stocks, that is State Bank of India is expected to see some profit booking, so you need to be careful in State Bank of India. And today's the result of IndusInd Bank and Dr. Reddy are scheduled, and tomorrow the Maruti's result will be declared. So you need to be consider these stocks also for next few trading days. So I hope you liked our video, and you can also connect us at our different social media platforms, that are Facebook, Twitter and Telegram. Their links are mentioned in the description. So that's all for the today's episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.